If you've been looking for that perfect place to call home with peace, serenity, and privacy, we just may have found it for you. Situated 7 miles east of the I-25 Longmont exit, it will feel like you're hours away from civilization, but yet you're not. When not tucked away inside your spacious 5,400 square foot impeccable home, you've got so many other things to enjoy. A private access driveway leads you off the paved county road and into your personal retreat. At 40 acres total, with 25 to 30 acres planted in alfalfa, you've got enough feed for any animals you may want to keep here. Since there are ample ditch rights included, you can get 3 cuttings per year. Also, a separate corral and adjacent barn area are ready to go. Keep all your toys and tools in your 40 by 100 foot metal barn, and even have room for several RVs if that's your thing. If wildlife is important to you, sit on your screened-in back porch and watch the deer wander by, or eagles and hawks ride the wind. For even more fun, you have your own 1-acre bass pond with a mini wildlife sanctuary in the southwest corner of the parcel, or have fun raising chickens. The coop is ready for you. There truly is no limit to what you can create on this incredible property. For a qualified showing, please call Dale Smajelski at 970-218-1438.